All right, so this shows the moment of impact is from this fucking truck right here that causes. I was in self-driving. If you guys see right here, the autopilot status. So I was self-driving, and as I was driving, watch, I'm gonna go frame by frame. This fucking GMC kicked up that debris that nailed my Tesla, and that's what caused the damage. You see right there? He hits it with his rear left he hits it with his rear left tire. Hits it right there. You see the object. It flies. I don't know what that is. I initially thought it was rubber because it left a black mark on my PPF, but you can see it's not black. See that? I can't really make out what that is. And next frame or two, bam, strikes my car. And then if you notice on the right, it says I'm in autopilot state, but right there, I was like, what the fuck just hit my car because it hit so hard? And then I ended up disengaging and pulling off to the right. I think it's the next clip over. Yeah, it's not this one. But yeah, that's what fucked my day up right there. Is when this fucking truck decided to make a right turn. I don't even think he saw whatever was on the ground. But yeah, left left back tire hits it. Shit comes flying and bam. Fuck my luck. Cost me $300 to fix. And even then my PPF is slightly damaged because of it. So once that happened, I thought I was pretty fucked. I looked around everywhere for a PDR place in the Modesto area or the Central Valley, really. And every place I called did not have experience with Tesla, especially Highland. Some of the places that might have worked on Teslas, they wanted to do glue pulls, and I have a PPF on there, and that wasn't really working out. So fortunately, I found Ted's Dent Works in Livermore. Show that on the screen right now. This guy's got about 30 years of experience. So if you live in the Bay Area or Central Valley and you have a PDR and a tough place that has like maybe PPF on your car, this guy knows how to pretty much repair it because he'll take apart the car and he'll get to behind it. Now, in my case, as you guys saw in the picture, the damage was right by the headlight near a brace where the fender is. And so he had to take off part of the bumper. He had to take off part of the headlight. Actually, took out the entire headlight and part of the wheel well, and he got behind there and he straightened it out. Unfortunately, though, there was a tiny spot um, of PPF that was damaged while he was getting the dent out. I think it's because he tried to warm it up or something and it melted the PPF a little bit. You can't see it in any of the pictures because it's so minor. And that's the reason that happened is that one of the dents was right above where the glue holds the fender, and that's whatever. He said that he'd have to melt the glue to get to it. I told him I didn't really need to because the dents were gone, and that'd be more than good enough for me because I was completely satisfied with the work. And because the PPF took a little bit of damage, he took off about $100 off. I think 150 off the price. He quoted 450 originally, and I paid him $300, which I think was fair. Maybe it should have been 250 because he did damage my PPF. I'll eventually have to replace it if I decide to, and that's about $400. But hey, I'm satisfied with the work. He saved my fender. I don't have to look at my car anymore and get kind of depressed because it's a brand new car and look at the damage. So yeah, overall, I'm happy. And if you guys have similar damage to your brand new Tesla or any other vehicle, check out this guy in Livermore, Ted Dent Works. He did a pretty good job. And as far as that GMC who accidentally launched that missile or object at my car, may your pillow be hot and very lumpy at night. Catch you guys in the next one.